Welcome to K-Zone. Today, we will share about Acropolis of Athens, Greece, secrets of the Parthenon. Now, let's go. High above the bustling streets of Athens, Greece, stands a monumental testament to the ingenuity, creativity, and resilience of ancient civilization, the Acropolis. This revered citadel and complex of buildings, including the iconic Parthenon, holds within its weathered stones a history that spans millennia, captivating the hearts and minds of people from all corners of the globe. The Acropolis story begins in the shadows of antiquity, during the Mycenaean period, around 1600 to 1100 BCE. Back then, the hill was a strategic fortification, a beacon of protection against external threats. The term Acropolis itself, a blend of the Greek words akron, highest point, and polis, city, speaks volumes about its elevated significance in ancient Athenian life. Over time, as Athens evolved, so did the Acropolis. Temples and shrines sprouted amidst the rugged terrain, devoted to the gods and goddesses who held sway over the lives of the people. Yet, it wasn't until the Golden Age of Athens, under the visionary leadership of Pericles in the 5th century BCE, that the Acropolis truly rose to prominence. Pericles' dream was grand, transforming the Acropolis into an awe-inspiring center of art, culture, and politics. The Golden Era birthed the architectural marvels that continue to inspire awe today. Among them, the Parthenon emerged as the shining jewel of the Acropolis, a temple dedicated to Athena Parthenos, the city's patron goddess. Architects Ectinus and Callicrates, guided by the skilled sculptor Phidias, orchestrated the construction of the Parthenon. Its Doric columns soared into the sky, their meticulous curvature and proportions a masterclass in architectural harmony. The Parthenon's friezes, a mesmerizing tapestry of mythical stories and human triumphs, showcased the brilliance of Greek sculptural artistry. Within the Parthenon stood a statue that embodied the very essence of Athena Parthenos, the goddess of wisdom, courage, and victory. Crafted by Phidias himself, the monumental statue, over 30 feet tall, was crafted from a blend of gold and ivory. The sculpture radiated a sense of divine power, an emblem of Athens' own prowess and the city's reverence for its patron deity. The Acropolis journey wasn't without its trials. The Peloponnesian War, 431 to 404 BCE, between Athens and Sparta cast its shadow, leading to the conversion of the Parthenon into a treasury for the war effort. Yet, the resilient Acropolis endured, weathering the storm and emerging as a symbol of Athenian spirit. The Hellenistic era infused new chapters into the Acropolis story. The Temple of Athena Nike, a delicate Ionic masterpiece, graced the site, complementing the grandeur of the Parthenon. The Erechtheion, with its mythical caryatid porch, showcased the evolution of architectural styles, bearing witness to the rich tapestry of Greek history. As Rome's influence spread across the Mediterranean, the Acropolis experienced further transformation. The Romans, who conquered Greece in 146 BCE, left their mark, adding their architectural imprint to the citadel. The Parthenon, now a testament to the enduring power of human creation, continued to be admired and cherished. With the rise of Christianity, the Acropolis witnessed a metamorphosis. Pagan temples found new purpose as Christian churches, reflecting the ever-changing tapestry of faith. As the Byzantine Empire reigned, the Parthenon was repurposed as a church dedicated to the Virgin Mary. The citadel's narrative continued to evolve under the Ottoman rule, with the Parthenon transforming into a mosque, an embodiment of its adaptability. The dawn of the 19th century heralded a rekindling of interest in the Acropolis. Greek architect Nikolaos Balanos, armed with the Acropolis Restoration Service, embarked on a mission to mend the wounds inflicted by time, wars, and nature. Detailed efforts were undertaken to catalogue the Parthenon sculptures, with some finding sanctuary in museums, safe from further deterioration. The Acropolis transcended its physical existence to become a universal symbol. It stood not just as a monument of artistry and architecture but as a beacon of democracy, philosophy, and human endeavor. Its significance stretched beyond borders, culminating in its designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987, a recognition of its irreplaceable cultural value. Today, the Acropolis remains a pilgrimage for the curious and the passionate alike. Millions venture to its hallowed grounds, marveling at its grandeur and tracing the footsteps of ancient philosophers, statesmen, and artists. The ongoing dedication to preservation ensures that the Acropolis legacy endures, allowing future generations to glean inspiration from its timeless allure. In the end, the history of the Acropolis of Athens is a narrative of human ambition, creative genius, and unwavering spirit. From its humble beginnings as a hilltop fortress to its transformation into a citadel of intellectual and artistic brilliance, the Acropolis stands as an emblem of Greece's enduring cultural and historical legacy, an emblem that resonates across time and space, celebrating the heights to which humanity can ascend. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.